Chat marketing is that new opportunity that you guys all need to leverage, and that's going to be your driving energy for your brand, whether you have an e-commerce, Amazon brand, lead generation, software, whatever it is that you do. If you need more attention, ManyChat can help you accomplish just that. As an entrepreneur, marketer, business owner, you have one asset that is more valuable than anything else. One asset that will determine whether you contract or expand. It's not your capital or your products or services. What is that asset? A list. If you have a customer list, if you have a prospect list, you can continue making income and expanding. If you suffer without a customer list, then you're in trouble. Let me give you an example. If you have an Amazon business and all you have is an Amazon business, and Amazon wakes up in the wrong side of bed and decides that you are in violation of their terms, they can literally toggle that switch and turn you off. And just like that, you are out of business. Why? You still have time. You might have some cash, but what don't you have anymore? You don't have customers. You don't have people to sell to. You're done. You got to start from zero. You have a brand new brand. You got to build a Shopify channel, and you got to learn Facebook advertising. And now you got to rush trying to generate people interested in your brand. So your customer list, your prospect list is senior to everything else. Senior to cash, senior to products, services, senior to all of it. If you have that in place, you can continue surviving regardless of what other companies decide about you. And that's what you want to help. And that's what I want to help build. So you have the money's in the list, right? So you want to be able to continue building that list so you can continue to expand. So let's get to it. 4 marketing strategies for a customer explosion in 2020. Now, everything that I'm going to be talking to you about, it's something based on what I've been doing myself. Not based on a dream, not based on something that I have an intuition about. It's based on practical information that I know have been tested and I have seen some results with. And now I can tell you that in today, I have enough data to show you how this whole thing works and how it can benefit your brand. So we're going to be covering chat marketing, not messenger marketing. Messenger marketing is so old school now, 2017 world. Today, chat marketing is what you want to be focused on. WhatsApp marketing. What? You're going to learn about WhatsApp marketing. How is that important? Well, let me tell you one word. 70 million users in the United States. 1.7 billion users across the world. That's why. Omnipresence in social media. How can you make sure that you accomplish God phenomena in social media world? How can you make sure that you are everywhere so you can get greater and greater opportunities to have people see you when you are on Instagram, on Facebook, on stories, on LinkedIn, on email, on anywhere possible? How can we accomplish omnipresence in a social media environment for your brand, no matter what that brand is about? Instagram marketing, another one that was a sleeping giant this last year, not anymore. It's a sleeping giant, has been awoken, and is driving revenue for Facebook day in, day out. If you didn't know this, Instagram is owned by Facebook. You all need to master the most important marketing tool for any and all marketers in 2020. This tool, if you use it correctly, will help you take your marketing game to the next level and help you capture attention like never before. And best of all, this tool is the simplest marketing tool I've ever used. It's ManyChat. That's what you need to master. If you have not gotten into ManyChat yet, you have better get started with it right away. There's a lot of power in this platform. And I can tell you that the founder and the CEO of ManyChat, it's like Mark Zuckerberg all over again. He's a genius. He's somebody that I admire a lot and that has kept on evolutionizing the platform so we can get more attention, leverage more on the platform, and get more from it. So about 3 years ago now, ManyChat became a platform to connect people with messenger marketing and to build conversations and flows and bots. About 3 years ago, they became a platform that integrated with Messenger to allow people to do things similar to what we've been doing for email, but better throughout ages. Sequences, broadcasts, flows. We've been able to actually send out messages on these platforms just like we did on email. But instead of doing 10, 20% open rates like we were doing on email, we were doing 80, 90, 95% open rates. And instead of doing 1-2% click-through rates. Like on email, we were doing 15, 20%, 25% click-through rates on Messenger. That was then, 2017, 2018, 2019. I have been driving the messenger marketing wave with ManyChat for a long time now, 2.5 years in this modern world. And I can tell you that I'm one of the top messenger experts on the planet. Just recently, I was on the Conversations 2019 on their conference with thousands of people in attendance talking about the opportunity with messenger marketing. Well, guess what? ManyChat is no longer messenger marketing. ManyChat is called chat marketing because chat marketing is that new opportunity that you guys all need to leverage. And that's going to be your driving energy for your brand, whether you have an e-commerce, Amazon brand, lead generation, software, whatever it is that you do. If you need more attention, ManyChat can help you accomplish just that. And again, just so you guys know, I am not a partner in ManyChat. You would think I am, but I'm a big fan of them. This is us, my AGM team, part of my AGM team with part of the ManyChat team on this Conversations conference. They have transitioned from being a messenger marketing platform for the last few years to being a chat marketing platform with game-changing innovation and great leadership. And because of that, I have jumped on top of that wave and I've been riding it ever since. So let's explain what chat marketing is all about. If you guys haven't heard that term, well, it's a pretty new term right now and it's hot and it's going to continue being very hot for the next couple of years. I can tell you that probably on my end of the year webinar in 2022, we're going to be talking about the new opportunity. But for now, 2020, 2021, this is what you need to ride right now. Chat marketing is a quick way to build relationships and move customers through marketing and sales funnels, going beyond conversing through messaging apps like Messenger. So it's not just Messenger anymore. It looks at the entire customer lifecycle, seeing where and how meaningful interactions can be created to drive more committed customers from acquisition to retention using multiple channels to communicate. So just translating that into regular English language, you're trying to generate new customers and you're trying to keep customers on board and buying stuff from you with the power of chat marketing. It encompasses all aspects of a business and informs everyone from lead generation to content marketing, sales, and customer success teams. So you can actually let your entire team know about these people that are coming into your funnel. Chat marketing breaks down the barriers between a business and its customers. And in return, it allows both parties to have more relevant, personalized interactions on a medium that people are comfortable chatting on. Messenger, SMS, or email. In the future, you're going to have Instagram direct messaging. You have WhatsApp. These are platforms that people are used to using every day, and they're easy. It's easy for them to actually communicate with customers, with businesses through it. It's multi-channel approach to communicate with a customer or prospect on either of the several platforms a potential customer or existing customer uses during a day.